swept away. No words were said, just cold and gray. Your shadow still haunts this empty place, like you left your tears on my face. I tried to call but couldn't speak. My voice gave up, my heart grew weak. The silence louder than a scream. I'm drowning now in what could have been. You left me crying in the pouring rain. All memories washed down the drain. I gave you love, you gave me pain, and now I'm standing all alone in the rain. You left me crying in the pouring rain. All the memories washed down the drain. I gave you love, you gave me pain, and now I'm standing all alone in the rain. Your sweater's hanging on the chair. I reach for you, but you're not there. Each second feels like broken glass, a future lost, a shattered past. The pictures lie, they smile too bright, but they don't show us sleepless nights. I whisper wide to the quiet air, but all I get is your vacant stare. You left me crying in the pouring rain. All memories washed down the drain. I gave you love, you gave me pain, and now I'm standing all alone in the rain. You left me crying in the pouring rain. All our memories washed down the drain. I gave you love, you gave me pain, and now I'm standing all alone in the rain. All alone in the rain, in the rain. Maybe one day you'll look for me, but find just wind and an empty street. No footprints left, no voice, no name, just ashes in the falling rain.